Hey everyone, this is Mr. Ransom for today's Mat Talk, and I am out here on one of our snow days. And if you take a look at my driveway here, you can really see that it needs some snow removed. So I got out my old plow tractor. There he is right there. I call him Tractor Mac. He's a 1949 Farmall Cub, and he's going to be 70 years old today. And I thought we could use him and hopefully use the driveway plowing for our Mat Talk today. So I'm going to climb on up here. There we go. And down here is our switch to turn them on. Push in the clutch. And we pull this and cross your fingers. Let's see if he starts. There he goes. All right, down here is where we control the plow. Put him in gear. Here we go. He's old. He can still push some snow. All right, so I went all the way from my garage down to here, but I didn't quite make it to the end of my driveway. So let's figure out how far I went.